Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a very quick video just explaining to you how to solve problems to find fractions of numbers. So first of all we need to look at these fractions. So the fraction I've got here is half. Now we need to know that each of these numbers is really important. So the bottom number tells us how many groups we're going to need, how many circles we're going to need to draw. The top number tells us how many of those groups we need to count at the end to find our answer. So this question here says half of 8 equals. So look at my fraction. I know I need 2 groups. So here's my first group. And here's my second group. And then I need to know, or I know that I need to split 8 equally between my 2 groups. So here we go. Make sure they're equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are they equal? Yes, they definitely are, because there's 4 in this one and there's 4 in this one, which means they're the same, which means they're equal. So now, looking at my fraction, I know I need to count one of my groups. So I'm counting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. Okay? Let's have a look at this bottom question. So my fraction has changed now. So instead of being a half, my fraction is now 1/4. So how many groups do I need, I wonder? Oh yes, I can look here. I need 4 groups. So here's my 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now my question is, worth 1/4 of 12 equals, I split 12 between these 4 groups. So here we go, make sure they're equal. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Are they all equal? Yep, they've got 3 in each group, so they must be equal. Now, how many of these groups do I need to count to find my answer? I can look at my fraction again. Can you see here? It says I need to count one of these groups. So 1, 2, 3, which means 1/4 of 12 is 3. Okay, let's have a look at these ones over here. See if we can use the same method on these problems. Okay, this top question says 3/4 of 20 equals. Okay, so remember again, looking at my fraction, I need this many groups. I need 4 groups. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I've got to split 20 equally between my 4 groups. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now this time I need to look at my fraction again. And I'm not counting one group to find my answer. It's asking me to count 3 groups to find my answer. So what I can do is I could count each of the dots in 3 groups. But if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I know there's 5 in each one. And I know my 5 times table. I can count in 5s. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. So that must mean that 3/4 of 20 is 15. Okay, last one. So this last problem, we use the same method again, is 1/3 of 18 equals. So how many groups do I need this time? Yep, I need 3 groups. So I'm going to draw my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I need to split 18 equally between my 3 groups. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and we've got equal groups because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each one. So now I need to look at my fraction again and look at the top number. It tells me how many groups I need to count to find my answer. And it says I need to count one group. So I'm count one group. I'll just count that so I know there's 6 in there. So my answer is 6. Okay, and that is how you solve problems to find fractions of numbers.